Hello everyone. Welcome to our exciting new video where we dive into a review of Yamuna Dental College. Today, we're going to explore the thoughts and experiences of the students, as well as hear from the experienced faculty members. So, sit back, relax, and join us as we uncover what makes Yamuna Dental College a great place to learn and grow.
Welcome to the Yamuna Institute of Dental College, Pediatric Department. Our goal is to treat children till the age of 13 years, to give fillings, RCTs, and to help them and instill a positive attitude towards dentistry. For our students, we give them necessary knowledge and skills so that they can deal children of all ages, and at the same time, they help the children as well as adults towards the profession of dentistry. Thank you. Myself, Dr. Shivanika, working as a senior lecturer in the Department of Periodontology in Yamuna Institute of Dental Science and Research, Haryana. So, in our BDS curriculum, we teach students how to maintain the oral hygiene of the patients, and the procedures which are done here are scaling, root planning, minor surgical procedures in which we do gingirectomy, frenectomy, etc. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Bibi Goyal. The best part of studying at BDS is doing patients from third year. The mentorship and the hands-on experience is amazing, and it makes the BDS the ideal place for dental education.
Hi, this is Meena from Yala of BDS second year. What I love most about the YIDSR is the supportive environment and emphasis on my practical learning. The college organizes regular workshops and seminars, which has been invaluable for my growth as a future dentist.
Hi, my name is Shetsina. YIDS RBDS program is comprehensive with a perfect blend of theory and practical. The faculty guidance and advanced facilities has helped me gain a lot of confidence in my dentistry career. Thank you.